Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily convert a PDF file into a Word document using Microsoft Word without losing the formatting. This works perfectly and it's quick and free, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Click on Open, then select Browse. Now find and choose the PDF file that you want to convert. Click Open. As soon as you select the PDF, Word will give you a message saying it will convert the file into an editable Word document. Don't worry, this keeps the layout and formatting as close as possible. Just click OK. Now your PDF has been converted into a Word document. Click to enable editing. Now scroll through and check the formatting. You'll notice that most of the fonts, images, tables, and layouts are preserved almost exactly like the original PDF. Once you're happy with the conversion, go back to File, click Save As, then click on Browse, and choose Word document .docx. Give it a name and save it to your desired folder. And that's it. You successfully converted a PDF into a Word document using Microsoft Word without losing formatting. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.